The first private homes by Studio MK27 in the Mediterranean pay homage to the landscape and the expertise of local vernacular architecture. The 4 white volumes, spread across a 33,000 square meter site, house 2 residences and 2 apartments. These structures were carefully integrated, respecting the natural contours and existing plateaus, while prioritizing water retention for the local arid gardens. All homes are designed to open up to the infinite landscape. The upper house enjoys a sweeping sea view. Featuring a cross-shaped floor plan, the homes are organized around the concept of the piazza, represented by the living room. Whitewashed wooden panels envelop the interiors, where a blend of elegant and rustic furnishings creates a cozy atmosphere. The living room offers dual configurations, completely open or recessed, and is accessed via a sunken patio that gradually reveals the sea view. Retractable wooden sunshades act as filters for light and privacy. Mashrabiya screens, an Arab heritage adopted in the Iberian Peninsula, have been reimagined in a simple checkered pattern to form large sliding doors, as well as fixed panels enclosing the private bedroom patios. Around the piazza, 4 modules are arranged along different axes, with minimal use of hallways for circulation. Three modules are dedicated to bedrooms, while one houses the kitchen, which can either be fully integrated into the central space or closed off. The bedrooms, positioned orthogonally around the living room, open onto sea views or private patios. A collection of Scandinavian chairs and light fixtures adds color and texture to each space. Wood and natural fibers complement the smooth finishes, establishing a dialogue with the surrounding vegetation. The lower house nestles deep into the valley, embraced by gardens. The thick white walls serve as a canvas for the dramatic tones cast by the Mediterranean sun and clouds. Moving shadows created by the garden add texture and tactile richness to the bright facades. In the valley home, a bedroom located on an upper floor offers a wider view of the horizon. The San Josep Villas by Studio MK27 in the Mediterranean exemplify modern architecture perfectly combined with traditional design. Their concept respects the environment and local heritage while delicately integrating into the topography, allowing nature to take center stage.